Welcome back. I'm hardly even a plumber. Today you're coming with me to swap out a failed water softener. Once the water is off and drained, I can actually get to work. The first step is to remove the water supply lines. And after the water supply lines are off, I'm going to disconnect the brine line. Then I'm going to break the brine line off and take the tank away. Next is to take off the discharge line, and this usually has some residual pressure left over to the plumbing in the house, so just be careful because you'll never know how much there is. I usually just use my water bending skills and bend the water usually all over the floor. Now that the softener is out of the way, I will loop the lines with an old supply line. This stops the water from going all over into my van, and it will make a good handle as long as it doesn't break off when I'm trying to load it in. So now I'm going to put the old tank full of salt. I'm not going to empty it all. I'm just going to grab it and throw it into the back of the van. Then I'm going to have to go and grab the new softener and put it into its position. And then I'm going to put the old softener into the van. But first, you're going to watch a nice little compilation of me cleaning my van to make some room. Alright, now you're going to watch me make a rookie mistake and end up wasting a whole bunch of time. This grid plate needs to have these cups to keep the salt from sitting at the bottom of the tank and preventing the water from flowing in and out. The salt tank fills with water, and then that salty water gets sucked back into the softener to clean the media and refresh its filtration. Towards the end, I'll explain how I made a mistake and show you what I did to kind of fix it, but basically I wasted a bunch of time doing this step. Once the tank is set up, I will install the adapters to the bypass valves and then put the assembly into the softener. Now that the softener is ready, we'll get some new supply lines and finish getting the softener ready to install. I'm gonna go ahead and double check to make sure I know which one is the actual water supply so I don't hook it up backwards and feed the softener backwards, ruining it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and install the discharge line, and I'm going to find that when I'm installing it, that the adapter from the softener head is actually loose from the factory. It's an easy fix, and all I have to do is take the hose off, reseal it, tighten it up, and put my hose back on. I'm going to take out the power supply from its box and plug it into the softener, and that should get us all ready to go. And here's the part where I made a little mistake. It's not like I did anything wrong, it just wasted some time. I should have shortened this hose and trimmed it up so it looked nice prior to the installation of everything else. Jeez, man, what a rookie mistake. Here's where I'm going to do a little bit of a cleanup while the softener is purging its air and finishing its startup procedure. Water is slowly back on. I'm going to do the startup procedure. It should be just a few more minutes. And once we're done cleaning up and softener is done with this startup procedure, I'm going to go ahead and dump some salt in there. We put 2 bags of salt. I'm going to go and set the time and the date along with its regeneration time. I also wiped everything out, checked for leaks again, and as always, I'm going to do a little cleanup and get the heck out of there. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos. Appreciate you taking the time to install the softener with me. Okay, thanks, bye.